Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have got some fresh news from Intel and ASRock that perfects for PC building, content creation, and workstation uses. Intel is expanding its Arc Pro GPU lineup, and this time it's making a pretty bold move. ASRock just unveiled two versions of Intel's new Arc Pro B60 GPU, the creator and the passive model. Those are not your typical gaming cards. They are made for professional workstation uses like 3D rendering, content creation, and heavy production workloads. And here is the crazy part. The Arc Pro B60 comes with 24 GB of GDDR6 memory that double the memory of the gaming-focused Arc B580, which has 12 GB. The creator model is dual-slot GPU with fans. Don't spin unless needed. The passive model has no fan at all. It works in server environment while airflow is controlled. So PC user, you can buy this. There are two clock modes, 2000 MHz at 120 watt and 24,000 MHz at 200 watt, low power mode and high power mode. The interface PCIe 5, the next gen speed, but this might not be available for consumer card like B580. Intel is now letting board partner like ASRock customize workstation GPU, something they usually keep very restricted. This is a big deal. It shows Intel is becoming more flexible, competitive in professional GPU market, which is most likely ruled by the Nvidia and AMD. Now here's what I think. Honestly, seeing Intel take the Battlemage GPU and double the memory of workstation is smart, but also frustrating for gamers. A 24 GB version of GPU for gaming would have been a dream, right? But I get it. They are focused on professional here. They are clearly showing that the GPU can handle PCIe Gen 5 speed. To me, it's a strong signal that Intel is getting serious, both in hardware design and market strategy. What do you think? Should Intel bring this much power to the gaming GPUs? Drop your thought in the comments. See you in the next video. Subscribe. Thank you.